Mastering tennis terms, understanding the Deuce Court. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a term that you might have heard if you're a tennis fan or if you've been curious about the game. The Deuce Court. Whether you're learning English or the language of tennis, understanding this term is a great way to sound like a pro. So, grab your rackets, and let's get started. The Deuce Court refers to the right side of the court for each player. In tennis, the court is divided into two main sections by the center mark at the baseline, the Deuce Court and the Advantage Court. But why call it deuce? The name comes into play when the score is tied at 40-40, which is called deuce in tennis. At deuce, the following point is served from the right side, the Deuce Court. It's a term that's as much about the score as it is about the place. Understanding the Deuce Court is crucial for several reasons. Service rotation. In tennis, players alternate serving from the deuce and advantage sides after each point at deuce. This rotation affects the strategy and positioning of the game. Strategic advantage. Players often have a preferred side to serve or return serves, so knowing the Deuce Court can give strategic insights into the player's styles. Game rules. For those learning English through tennis, knowing terms like Deuce Court helps in comprehending the rules and enjoying the game to its fullest. Now let's put our term into context. Here are a few examples. Roger Federer delivered a powerful serve from the Deuce Court to win the game. The player scored 2 consecutive aces from the Deuce Court. Knowing the angles and dimensions of the Deuce Court can significantly benefit your game strategy. Using the phrase in sentences like these will help you remember it better and also make your English sound more natural, especially if you're talking about tennis. That's a wrap on the Deuce Court. I hope you found this explainer helpful and that you're now more comfortable with this tennis term. Remember, whether you're on the court or just chatting about the game, knowing these little details can make a big difference in your understanding of tennis and English. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.